Can e-commerce make you a millionaire? Absolutely. But it doesn't happen by luck. Here's a reality check. Only 4% of e-commerce businesses ever hit 1 million in annual revenue. Most fail in their first year because they're trying to build something from nothing. But if you want to be in that top 4%, you need to stop playing the startup game and start playing the acquisition game. In 2026, the fastest way to 7 figures isn't starting a store. It's buying one that's already winning. Today, I'm giving you the step-by-step roadmap to building a £1 million portfolio without the first-year struggle. Think about it. When you start from scratch, you have a 21% chance of failing in the first 12 months. When you buy an established store, you skip the 0 to 1 grind. You're buying a proven product, existing traffic, and immediate cash flow. Data shows that most buyers recoup their entire investment in just 3 to 12 months. Compare that to a new store, which can take 18 months just to break even. You aren't just buying a store, you're buying time. By acquiring a brand that's already doing £5,000 or £10,000 a month in profit, you're already ahead of 90% of the market on day one. So how do you go from one store to a £1 million net worth? You reinvest. The true millionaire formula is compounding. Once your first store is stable, you use those profits to acquire a second. Focus on high-margin niches like digital products, which can have 85% margins, or subscription services with recurring revenue. Your goal is to assemble a portfolio that delivers over £100,000 in monthly net profit. That is the clear mathematical path to millionaire status. You aren't just an owner anymore, you're a portfolio manager, diversifying across different niches to keep your wealth safe and growing. Now, the biggest payday doesn't come from the monthly sales, it comes from the exit. A well-oiled e-commerce brand sells for a massive multiple. At Trend Hijacking, we help you bridge the gap between buying a store and becoming a millionaire. We vet the deals, we handle the due diligence, and we scale your acquisition for a 3 times to 10 times payday. We don't just build stores, we build high-value assets designed to be sold. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start acquiring, let's build your 7-figure portfolio together. The blueprint is ready. Are you?